Claire Coleman. I'm a hairstylist, and I'm going to show you how to use a blow dryer to create a messy hairstyle. Now, this hairstyle technique can work on any type of hair. It's really about the product and then the technique of using the blow dryer. But for long hair, that's what I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to use a spray-on wax. It's a texture spray, and we're just going to spray the entire length of the hair. And just work your hands through it. And I'm also going to use a shine spray. And you can, like I said, you can use this on any type of hair. So short hair, medium hair, it's going to work just fine. And then I'm going to take that same section and I'm just going to twist it. Now I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just run it over the section to just heat the wax up and just kind of lock in this little rope that we made. Here we go. Now you just want to make sure that you get it nice and warm. And just let it cool in this little rope braid that you have there. So we're just going to let that cool for a second. There we go. And then we're going to just lightly separate this out. And it's going to give you a piecey look with some waves in there and just kind of nice, messy, easy hairstyle. My name is Claire Coleman. I'm a hairstylist, and I just showed you how to use a blow dryer to create a messy hairstyle.